Today, I'll show you the basics of karate that anyone, from children to adult, can do how to stand and how to do a karate punch. This video will get you started as a karate player. Before starting lesson, this channel is a support video for those who want to start karate. In addition, I will continue to provide videos that introduce tips and practice methods for karate beginners. So please subscribe so that you don't miss out on the benefits of practicing and improving efficiently with this video. Let's start the lesson. First, stand shoulder width or slightly wider than shoulder width. Knees slightly bent and relaxed. How to karate punch. First, make your fist for punching. This is very important to avoid injury. When we think of karate, the first thing we do is punch. We say tsuki. Tsuki means thrust in English. Literally, the typical punch in karate is a punch with the shortest distance and the straightest trajectory. And now I'll show you how to grip your fist to make tsuki. Open your hands. Grip them in order starting with the index finger or the opposite way. Be careful with the last thumb and do not grip the thumb in the thumbs up grip. It can cause a junction. Use the fist of your index and middle finger where you punch. The poor hand should be below the ribs and the fist should be lightly gripped, not tightly gripped. Relax your shoulders. Grip your fist tightly at the moment of punching. The thrusting fist should be aimed at your center. First, we do 10 tsuki. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Point to note. Don't open your side. Do not lower fist too much. Aim at different targets. Bring hand awareness rather than punching. By being conscious of the full hand, the impact of a punch reaching the inside of the opponent is created. The typical punch in karate called the seikenzuki. This punch aims for the shortest and fastest distance. Do it in 2 movements first to avoid opening the side. 1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2、1、2。Next time, let's do 10 tsuki in one motion again. Once again, when punching, it's not the punching fist that you're aware of, but the print punch. Using the full hand increases the power of the punch and allows you to use the punch with a stronger impact. Be careful not to fall forward when you punch. This is the basic of karate punch. As with any sports, at first it will be hard to get used to it because you will be doing something you have never done before, and your shoulder will be tense. But if you continue to do once a week or once every 2 weeks, you surely get used to it. It's natural that you cannot do it at first. Take your time and do it slowly. That's all for lesson. I'll be very happy if you are interested in karate because of this. Last but not least, if you think this video is good, please leave a comment. It will encourage me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.